mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Proud na proud ngayon sina Donnie at Belle ay pinost ang kanilang mga larawan sa kanilang social media account matapos nga ang kanilang Grand MediaCon para sa series nilang How to Spot a Red Flag kahapon. Talaga namang umani ito ng samot-saring reaksyon ng mga netizens, di na ang tapang na masyado ngayon ng Don Belle. Kulang na lang na aminin nila ang tunay na estado ng kanilang relasyon sa naturang interview nga nila kahapon. Maraming ang inamin dito ang Don Belle na kahapon pa lang nila inamin na nagbigay nga ng kilig ng lahat ng mga taga-suporta ng Don Belle. At syempre marami rin kinilig sa ginawa ng Don Belle dahil talaga namang proud na proud ang dalawa sa isa't isa. At agad namang pinusuan ng mga netizens ang naturang post nga ng Don Belle.
Ano naman po, parang he always finds ways naman. Wow! Para pakiligan ako. Totoo naman! Bakit? Magiging honest ako. Yeah,
Yeah, you have to also love who you're becoming. So, you know, the red flags, I think if you really are in it to be with each other and to choose each other, you would see more of that in each other, or more of the red flags in each other. So you want to go through it together. And you want to help also the other person see that side of them that maybe they haven't seen.
Yun, nakapagmahal na natin ng isang tao, mas nagiging bulag na tayo sa red flags nila.
meron din kasi 'di bang iba, feeling ko pag mas minamahal mo sila, mas nakikita mo rin yung red flags nila. Pwede rin opposite.
That's a good way of
Yeah, I think it depends on how you love the person. I think if you have that love for yourself as well, you'll be able to spot the red flags that you don't want. But then if your life just revolves around them, feeling ko doon natin masasabi na nabubulag tayo ng pag-ibig. So, depende siya kung paano yung mahalin yung tao.
Sa kapag mahal mo na, nasasabi mo na. Diba?
Yes.
Yung red flag niya.
Yes.
Diba? Ikaw, Don.
Depende kasi yan. Kung talagang in love ka para lang ma-in love, para lang, wag mo nang isipin yung sarili mo, gusto mo lang ma-in love, madali lang mabulag talaga. Kasi syempre, lahat ng red flags na hindi mo naisipin eh. Pero, yun yung part na nagiging delikado kasi syempre you're in a relationship if ever not just because you want to be with that person but because you're also in love with the version of yourself. So it can't just be I want to be here because this person is this. But how are you though? Diba? So yeah, you have to also love who you're becoming. So, you know, the red flags, I think if you really are in it to be with each other and to choose each other, you would see more of that in each other, or more of the red flags in each other. So you want to go through it together. And you want to help also the other person see that side of them that maybe they haven't seen, you know?
Right. Now, depending din on the red flags, minsan din kasi the imperfections kind of makes the relationship perfect.
Yeah, you know, everyone.
Hindi, interpretation ko lang yan.
Because we were here nga po, we watched it together. Like, I was asking him, oh, so how was it? How was it? Wait lang, after na pag napanood na natin. Kasi kinatanong ko siya while we were watching it. And syempre, wow, natutuwa ako. Thank you.
Nag-blush ka, you're red.
Eksena, diba? This whole week you'll be there pa rin, diba?
Yes,
Or something,
I think
yeah.
so.
Bel, how do you feel about that? Yung parang naka-monitor din siya sa career mo, no?
Well, it's so naka-monitor. Hindi, it's so nice kasi yun nga, I think this is something we both agreed upon.
My family, of course. Even you. You're someone who tells me stuff na siguro hindi masasabi ng iba, di ba?
Talaga? Sinasabihan mo siya?
I would say so.
Same naman kami. Like, we really do communicate.
Yeah. And I think mabango.
Uy!
Mabango si Belinda.
Describe the scent.
Iba-iba yung scent niya depende sa occasion.
Grabe yung sagot mo.
Pero
Donnie.
gusto niya yung mga fresh lang, fruity.
Parang bagong ligo.
Ganun.
What's her scent now?